The future of kitchens in 2025. Smart, sustainable, and stylish. The modern kitchen in 2025 is no longer just a place to cook. It's an interactive hub of daily life, blending technology, sustainability, and design like never before. Smart kitchens have evolved into highly personalized environments. AI-powered appliances now learn your routines and cooking preferences. From fridges that track expiry dates and suggest recipes, to voice-controlled ovens that adjust temperature automatically, the entire space adapts to your lifestyle. The kitchen has become your personal sous chef, nutritionist, and time saver, all in one. Sustainability is no longer optional. It's built into the very bones of kitchen design. Recycled materials and eco-friendly finishes are standard, while water-saving faucets and energy-efficient induction cooktops dominate the market. Food waste is drastically reduced thanks to composting systems integrated under the sink and AI meal planning apps that minimize overbuying. Even packaging is being tackled, with smart containers that reorder only what's needed, reducing both waste and cost. Social media aesthetics meet functionality in the show-off kitchen trend. In 2025, your kitchen is designed to be photographed, whether for Instagram Reels or Zoom cooking sessions. Open shelving is back, but smarter, LED lit and clutter-free. Color palettes are warmer, with matte black, terracotta, and sage green leading the way. Hybrid spaces combine kitchens with podcast studios or live stream setups, reflecting how creators and home chefs now broadcast directly from their countertops. Health is front and center in kitchen evolution. Air quality monitors, antibacterial surfaces, and ergonomic layouts are now standard. Personalized nutrition is automated. Smart blenders make smoothies based on your fitness data, while water stations infuse vitamins based on your sleep patterns. Fermentation stations, once niche, are mainstream, and immunity-boosting appliances like UV sanitizers for produce have found a permanent place. Kitchens are no longer just about food. They're the front lines of personal wellness.